everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Soundcore Mini 2 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not working because it is not connecting to your phone or other device, or it is not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you can't get it fixed and you decide you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of it. So you can go ahead and set this speaker up like you're setting up a brand new speaker coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that very easily. So all we need to do is with our speaker on, we're just going to find this Bluetooth button and the volume up button. And you just want to press and hold them both simultaneously for a couple of seconds, and then you'll hear a sound when the reset's been completed, at which point you can release the two buttons, and you have it basically a new speaker now. You can go ahead and set it up like it's coming out of the box.